So we have a request for rear naked choke defense, okay? We're just gonna show the actual defense, but somebody requested chin gnaw with finger joint manipulation for this.
I'm better off here and peeling fingers. And you're better off if you get one.
That's it right there. Yeah.
Okay, I've just got his ring finger and I'm just cranking it up, okay? So giving myself some relief here, and I can get any finger this time.
That's it. So this is stuff not legal for MMA, right, guys? You're peeling, and then from here, I do have options for one-arm chokes, but he's still defending here, okay?
Getting away from the fingers a little bit. So I'm coming in, I'm hooking behind the wrist with my thumb, and I'm just pulling him into, I'm pulling him into the crook of my elbow. And here, and you see this time I came here. I actually have a lock here as well.
Yeah, I'm pretty stuck here.
And if I want to, then I start coming around.
Yeah, but we're not getting into them jumping up with the hooks. We're not talking about the throws from here because I don't have hooks in. We're just getting specifically on getting that off of the choke. That's a great technique. That wrist one was really, really good.
Well, and it does depend on size a little bit. If he had really stubby arms, me doing this is going to be a lot harder.
Yeah.
As it is,
our
arms are about the same length roughly, so it works because I'm trying to force this, whether it's here or the thumb, I'm forcing it into the crook of my elbow.
Right. So yeah, we're not changing anything, guys, from jiu-jitsu. We're still attacking that. But this, we're just addressing, just like we would in jiu-jitsu, we're addressing that top arm to get that off to regain some sort of control.
Yeah.